Hi, my name is Audrey, and I'm a web developer representing Old Delhi Music. We installed eComposer because we wanted to create a new website for the existing Shopify website that was really easy to navigate for non-web developers. I'm a web developer, but the team is not. They work more with musical instruments, and so I wanted to make it really easy to navigate. I wanted a drag and drop platform that integrated well with Shopify and that also had a lot of great features and looked really beautiful on the front end. Um, so I use it to build an over 50-page website. The app experience, the user experience, the functionality and performances are top notch. Um, it's very easy to navigate, even for people who aren't familiar with website development or coding. There's no coding necessary needed. And if you want to do a feature that you can't find in eComposer, their customer support service is amazing. They are so easy to contact. They're always available. I work at all hours of the day, and there's someone always there. They get to the bottom of any issues in a very prompt manner. They offer solutions that I wouldn't have thought of, and have a good understanding. All of the customer service representatives that I spoke with have a really good understanding of the app and were able to give really useful recommendations and support. We've completed the website and it's increased our traffic and our conversion rate. It looks gorgeous. Everyone who's visited the website has complimented the upgrade, and I highly recommend eComposer to anybody who wants to build a Shopify website that is user-friendly and has a lot of customizable features and that is really easy to edit and to keep current and to make updates to an existing website or to have a completely new website that is that's based off of the vision that they have for their company.